Are you working in your SPSS and noticing empty or unused variables in your data file? In this quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to delete or remove empty columns or variables from your SPSS dataset. To do this, your file first needs to be on Data View. Then, the number attached to the empty column or variable, you click on that. If you don't get the options, you right-click again. Then you select Clear. We will do this for the next one. We click on the number attached to the empty variable. Then we select Clear. And for the last one, we click again. Sometimes the options just appears. Then we click Clear. Now you can see that the data is clear from empty or unused variable.